सिद्धांत सरस्वती विजयते गौरी गोष्ठीपति वंदे गुरुपद्वंद्वं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमयुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरं वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभवच पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति गिरिं यत्किपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वये नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्तो गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तेथास्पदं शिवभिरिञ्चनुतं शरण्यं वेत्तात्तिहं पुनतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गभवधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्तिः साराधिकामयि कदा मां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो युगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणाभतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गङ्गातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषि त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदये संवित् त्वं सिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Nitto nityanam chetonos chetonanam eko bahunam jo vidadhati kaman tomatmastam jo nupassanti dhiraha tesham santihi netaresham. Nitto nityanam chetonos chetonanam eko bahunam jo vidadhati kaman tomatmastam jo nupassanti dhiraha tesham santihi netaresham. Gauriya Goswami Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that bonded soul can desire so many things. Bonded soul can try to seek material satisfaction, material advantage, so many things. But if Bhagavan going to approve, then it's okay. In Bengali, Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written, Apon ichhai jeev koti vancha kare, Bhagavad ichha vina phal nahi dhare. Personal desire, bonded soul can desire so many things. When our desire going to tally with the desire of Supreme Lord, then and only then we can get satisfaction. Otherwise, no satisfaction. Whole life. When our desire going to match with the desire of Bhagavan, Bhagavan approving, then and only then we can get satisfaction. Otherwise, whole life, no satisfaction we can get. Nitto nityanam chetonos chetonanam. Who is Nitto, eternally present. All eternally present objects are there in transcendental world. As the absolute Chetan Vastu, absolute Nitya Vastu, original Nitya Vastu, Nitto Nityanam. All Nitya Vastu, their original sources, by Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Nitto Nityanam, Chetonas Chetonanam, all Chetan Vastu, and source of all Chetan Vastu is that Bhagavan. Nitto Nityanam Chetonos Chetonanam Eko Bahunam Jivdidhatu Kaman, who is going to fulfill the desire of everybody, all creatures. Even one bird shouting to give one drop of water. Though there is so many sources of water in the world. Ocean there, river there, pond there. But that bird only depending upon only crystal water, one drop of. But still, Bhagavan going to fulfill its desire. So Bhagavan can fulfill all desire. We need not think about that. Only we will have to do bhakti, that is the main thing. One day Prabhupada lamenting, Aprakita lament. Prabhupada speaking, after singing so much kirtan, so many kirtan, Kalyan Kalpataru, Saranagati, so many kirtan he used to do in front of me, so many Harikatha he used to hear from me, and finally he is going to leave me and gone away. I am responsible for that. Actually, I am responsible for that because I could not teach him what is called bhakti. I could not teach him what is called actual bhakti. That's why I am responsible for that. He gone. This way, repeatedly I told, absolute truth, absolute Harikatha can never get popularity. Absolute Katha, Harikatha, absolute speech can never get popularity. It's not possible. Everybody going towards Maya, all running. You cannot save them. How you can save them? You cannot save them. You can try to save them. But you cannot put guarantee that you can save them. That's why one day Prabhupada speaking Harikatha Upadeshamrito, commentary on Upadeshamrito, Rupa Goswami Pad Upadeshamrito in Radha Kund, that, Kunja Vihari Mart, that was very small mart previously. I spoke Harikatha Lord 20-25 years back. Now they break and make me. There Prabhupada speaking Harikatha, Prabhupada watching. So many devotees, they are running towards Sahajiyas. Those who are speaking very sweet word, towards them they are running. Then Prabhupada shouting, don't go there, come here. Don't get lost there. They are Sahajiya. You don't go there. I know it is impossible for you to hear this kind of absolute truth. You cannot digest, but don't go there at least. You can get lost. Then those Sahajiyas coming to fight with Prabhupada. Many times. Whole devotional Leela of Prabhupada, full of attack, all the time, from different places. Many people left Prabhupada. They gone to some other places to get satisfaction. Sahajiyas, they coming to fight with Prabhupada. You are Sahaji actually. We are not Sahajiya, you are Sahaji. Prabhupada speaking, yes, we are Sahajiya, but we are Aprakita Sahajiya. What is the natural function of soul? What is the natural function of soul? To hear Aprakita Harikatha. So what is quite natural in Aprakita Jagat, Vaikuntha Jagat? We are speaking so, really we are Sahajiya. Really we are Sahajiya. But we are Aprakita Sahajiya. You all are Prakita Sahajiya. Guru Padma used to say that Prabhupada was very strict about Srimad Bhagavatam. Even common people, they had no right to touch Bhagavatam. Common people cannot touch Bhagavatam. Even I heard from Guru Padma, one day Prabhupada giving instruction to Bhakti Vivek Bharati Maharaj, big tall figure, like Prahlad. They need no mic, nothing. Speaking so heavy. One day Prabhupada giving instruction to Bharati Maharaj to go to some place to speak Harikatha. Prabhupada gave, because he is a senior, and he was elder than Prabhupada. Elder in the sense, age factor is more high. Because he was first, I don't like to name, Sahajiya Guru. After that, when he met with Prabhupada, could realize, then left that Guru and took shelter. I am not going to speak in name. Anyway. So, Prabhupada giving instruction in the afternoon time, you can go and speak Harikatha here. And afternoon time, Prabhupada going to library and watching everything and speaking. But Bharati Maharaj gone. Bharati Maharaj already gone. But he has gone. With which book he gone? He took Bhagavatam. What? Bhagavatam. Though we are speaking Bhagavatam, but you can, very carefully you can watch. We are sometimes speaking Bhagavatam, but you can very carefully watch. We are discussing everything on the background of Gaudiya Darshan, or more specifically, I would say, under the guidance of Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Prabhupada. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur was instructed by Gadadhar Pandit. Bhaktivinoda Thakur received one instruction by Gadadhar Pandit in dream. Not dream actually, like dream. He was already conscious. That you try to collect Sambandha, Avidya, Prayojan, Slokas from Bhagavata, whole Bhagavata. Gadadhar Pandit is speaking directly. As if like dream, but not dream. You will have to collect all different important slokas from whole Bhagavatam, 18,000 slokas. And 16, Atraja sloka, 18,000. So, you can collect and segregate Sambandha, Avidya, Prayojan. You will have to publish this book for the benefit of common public, because whole Bhagavatam, if you go confusing, so many, how you can understand? So, after getting this instruction, Bhaktivinoda Thakur compiled Bhagavat Arko Marichimala. What do you have? Bhagavat Arko Marichimala. That's it. Prabhupada speaking, it is our duty, Bhaktivinoda Thakur also there, time to time taking Gauriya Darshan, what our Gauranga Mahaprabhu is teaching. Prabhupada speaking, it is our responsibility, it is our duty to preach the teachings of Gauranga Mahaprabhu in more practical. Though Bhagavad Mahapuran we can find in applied form in the whole Leela of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, whole Leela of Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, applied form. Gaur Kishore Baba cannot recite Bhagavatam, maybe, but you can find whole Bhagavatam in applied form in the life of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, which is more important. In the whole life. Maybe you say he is not speaking Harikatha, only doing Harinam. But you very minutely, if you watch, under the guidance of Guru Vaishnava, you can see, whole Bhagavatam is, their life is itself Bhagavatam. Their life, their activity, their speech. Sometime when Guru Varga, we have seen, Guru Varga when getting age gradually, they stop speaking anything, they are not speaking. That time, you will have to watch, their whole life is Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran in applied form you can find. Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Prabhupada, it was the desire of Srila Prabhupada, divine desire, to preach the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is more easy, more practical, because Bhagavad Ji Mahaprabhu, to understand, it will take long time. But by chance, if you understand if you feel attraction for Gauranga Mahaprabhu by watching something, very easily, you can feel safe. Because Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, sometimes you cannot understand, you can understand, very. And those who are going to use Srimad Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran wrong way, many people can use Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran wrong way for their love puja pratishtha. Guru Padma used to say, Prabhupada usually used to keep Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran exclusive, separate. He never allowed anybody to read Bhagavatam, random, under the guise of Guru Vaishnava. He used to say Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Chaitanya, more practical Bhagavatam. Because if somebody reading Srimad Bhagavatam without any proper guidance, he can think Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran is material. Many times Prabhupada used to say, don't go through Mahabharata. Don't go through Mahabharata. Because if you go through Mahabharata, Mahabharata is also Jai Guntu. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Jai Guntu, Jai. What you say na? Tato Jaya Mudire, Narayana Namaskritam Nananjay. The Jai Guntu mane, by the help of Mahabharata, you can cross over the material world. But very difficult. Very difficult. Very difficult. Very rare. Because if you go through Bhagavatam, first of all you have material idea, backing, or maybe 80% you recover, but still it can pull you down, problem. Because so many confusing factors are there. You cannot understand why Vasudev doing this. Very, you can express doubt about character of somebody, some Rishi, Muni. That's why Prabhupada saying, you cannot harmonize. So never try to go through. Never try to go through Bhagavatam, never try to go through Mahabharata. You can go through Chaitanya Bhagavat. Chaitanya, even Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to say, now at present, stop reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. Now at present, you can stop reading Chaitanya Charitamrita, go to Chaitanya. Bhakti Vinod Bani Vaibhav, I published one book, full, what all Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, is that you can make compilation. Bhaktivinoda Thakur told. Because by reading Chaitanya Bhagavatam, you can get the association or the Parshad of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Because their life is very restricted. Bhagavad Ji Mahaprabhu, okay, but you cannot realize. By Chaitanya Bhagavat, if you read, you can get the association of those Parshad of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, if you go so many characters, you can believe why this is. You cannot realize, you cannot understand. Big problem can be there. That's why Prabhupada used to say, more practical to follow Chaitanya Bhagavat, if you like to get bhakti. Gaurkishore Babaji Maharaj sometimes used to speak heavy to Bimala Prasad Prabhupada. Because he used to love him. One day, Gaurkishore Babaji Maharaj speaking to Bimala Prasad Prabhu, don't teach him Chaitanya Charitamrita. Very often he is coming to you to get some guidance, but be careful, he is kapat. At present he is putting the money box or plate so that people can give donation and reciting Chaitanya Charitamrita. So don't speak any Siddhanta Vichar to him. Very dangerous. He is very interested to earn money. So, what we are discussing at present is very important. Karma Kando means, Prabhupada used to say, okay. Karma Kando means abhakti. Many times Prabhupada used to say. Many times Prabhupada used to say, Karma Kando means abhakti. Karma Kando, always, any karma. Karma Kando is abhakti. It seems they have bhakti. They are doing this, not bhakti, not bhakti. Karma Kando, if you depend upon Karma Kando, now at present, almost everybody following Karma Kando in the name of pure devotional practice. If you never mind, I am bound to speak it. In the name of devotional activities, they are following Karma Kanda. So, yesterday I was speaking, Bhagavan speaking, see many sadhu gurus or maybe Rishi Manis, Sadhguru Vaishnava, they are pure, they can speak. Those who are actually Sadhguru Vaishnava, they can speak about appropriate thing. So all other sadhu, Tarko apadishto srutayo vivinya na so munir yasya matam na bhinyam dharmasya satyam nihitu guhayam mahajono yeno gato sapanta. In Mahabharata we can find this sloka. Tarko cannot stand. Whole life you can go on fighting, no problem. Tarko apradishto. But Bhaktivinoda was speaking, if somebody going to protest, right, protest note against some abhakti or some wrong activity, wrong siddhanta, it is 100% necessary. It should not be stopped. But actually, people are in confusion. They cannot understand what is protest, what is criticism, what is bhakti, they don't understand. And also, misguiding. Acharyas are misguiding them. So, Tarko Apadishto, whole life you can go on fighting, fighting, fighting. You cannot come to any conclusion of bhakti. So, Tarko Apadishto and Srutoyo Vivinya, all Sruti, Sriti, if you read, you cannot understand. You cannot understand. Each and every Sruti Vakya itself self-dependent. You cannot find any link because ordinary man cannot find. Same Shruti you are reading, maybe one stanza you write this, after that you are confusing, he is writing this, why? That's why all the commentators of Vedas, all previously, now at present nobody can even read that much capacity. They write commentary. Max Muller, Moksha Muller from German, he wrote commentary on Rigved. Rishi Aurobindo also wrote. Sayan Acharya, he wrote Veda. Even if you read, you cannot understand what is the meaning. You cannot, so complicated. So, in Mahabharata it is written, Tarko has no stability, and Srutayo or different Sruti, Siddhi writings, so many things, you cannot harmonize. That is big problem. And there is no such single Rishi whose opinion is not different from another Rishi. You cannot find even one single Rishi, if you go through Mahabharata, anywhere, all Rishis, character. Pauranik, Puran. You cannot find even a single Rishi, Muni, whose opinion is not different from another Rishi. Gautami Rishi speaking. Gautami Rishi speaking this way. Then Charvak Rishi speaking this way. All different. Gautami Rishi, logic. Gautami Muni. Gautam Muni. Different Munis, different speaking. So if you go on hearing all, then you cannot. Very weak heart. Weak heart means any time Maya can grasp. Any time. No guarantee. Today, okay. After half an hour he can change. You have seen? Everything okay. He talk with me, everything. After half an hour, something happened. Poor time. This one. That's why Prabhupada used to say, bonded soul can reserve the right to fall down anytime. Anytime. No guarantee. So, Bhagavan speaking, Manmaya mohito dhiyaha purushaha purushasavo Shreyo vadanti anekantam yatha karmo yatha ruchi. According to different taste and understanding, they are speaking different opinion. So, this way, you can, if you depend upon everybody or any one of them, you cannot come to it. You cannot. You will have to depend upon one Bhagavad Bhakta, Mahabhagavat Paramahamsa. Otherwise not. Dharmam eke jasasyanye, somebody speaking, general conception of dharma, do this, do this. Jaso, are target of our life is to collect name and fame. Some say, no, life is very short. Enjoy yourself. Life is very short. Kamam. So no, you will have to stick to truth only. A truth, our Vasudev Ji Maharaj, even he was not ready to speak lie in front of Kamsa. Even in front of Kamsa, he is not speaking lie. He is speaking, if there is any children in my life, I can give all children. Any children come, I can give you. So, this way, you see, Satyam, Dhammam. Dhammam means Antarindiyo Dhammam or Bahirindiyo. Antarindiyo Dhammam, all our Gyanendriyo and mind under control, it is Dhamma. External Indiyo. Samam means Antarindiyo. Sorry. Dhamma means external Indiyo are under control. Samam means Antarindiyo. And yet other Vadanti, you try to protect your own self-interest, Swartham. And Swartham, if you try to understand this word, Swa plus Artha, Swartha. Swa. And that Swa, it depends upon your sanskar. If you think Swa means Atma, if you think Swa means Atma, then Swa Artha means any absolute interest relating to your Atma. That is called Bhagavad Bhakti, nothing else. Sa vai pungsam paro dharmo yato bhakti radhakshaji ahetuki apratihata jayatma su prasidhati. But Swa, if you are demon, if you think my body, mind, everything, Swa, I myself, then you can think all dirty interest relating to your body and mind, that you can mean, nothing else. So, some Rishi Muni speaking, Anne Padanti Swartham Ba Oishadhyam Tyago Bhojanam. Somebody thinking you can leave everything. Renunciate to leave everything. All can leave. This way, different Rishi Muni, different people can speak all different opinion. Neither enjoyment, nor detachment, nothing can give you bhakti. You can go in the way of detachment, you leave everything. What it concerns to us, you cannot get bhakti. At the same time, you can run towards enjoyment. So, bhog or tag, in Bengali, Sanskrit we say, bhog and tag, both prohibited in the way of bhakti. Whatever you need to maintain your body, that can help you to get bhakti. Yukta ahara viharasya yogo bhavati dukshaha. Bhagavan speaking to Arjuna, that enjoyment cannot give you realization power, or detachment also. You leave everything. That's why Bhagavan, Yukta ahara viharasya. You are doing all your activities according to the demand of your aprakito tattva. If you need, then you are not going to fulfill the desire of your sense organ and mind, nothing. Only you are thinking, I will have to protect my body, that's why I need to take some prasadam. I will have to take rest, because a devotee taking rest means he can give energy for Hari Bhajan, Hari Seva. So, Jukta ahara viharasya yogo bhavati dukshaha. All problem can go away if you learn what is called Yukta Vairagya. After that, yesterday I told, Adyantabanta evaisham lokaha karma vinimita dukshodarka tamonishta khuddamanta sucharpita. There is beginning and end. There is beginning and end of everything. And due to karma, all creation, all whatever technological development, scientific development, whatever development, you can find, but finally going to finish, going to be finished. It's some starting point and end point. Adyanta banta evaisham lokaha karma vinirmita. Out of their karma, karma means karma. If there is no karma, why you can do karma? It is supporting to each other. No karma, then no karma, what you can do? I am not speaking about devotional practice. There is also, it's similar like karma, but it cannot be compared. Because it is relating to bhakti. That's why the definition of bhakti, the book of Saint-Path, already written now. Already written. Nicely, Asamita Sindhu you can find. So, Adyanta Banta Evaisham, Adi Anto Evo Esham Lokaha Karma Vinirmita. If you split up, according to grammar, so it is starting point and end point. Anna Vilasita Sunyam, Jnana Karmadi Anabritam, Anukullena Krishnanusularam Bhaktiruttama. That is Rupa Goswami speaking. Any kind of Annavilas having no link with Bhakti. Annavilas surely have no Annavilas, otherwise why we can say Annavilas? Annavilas, this word means no link with Bhakti. Annavilasita Sunyam Jnana Karmadi Anabritam. Devotees are also cooking, offering, doing. It seems they are also working. But that is not work. That is bhakti. Bhakti karma. So, annavilasita sunyam jnana karmadi anabritam. Jnana karma uncovered. Annavilata sunno. There should not be any smell of annavilas. Shunno, zero. But Gyan Karmadi, not zero. Gyan Karmadi, Sunyam, not speaking. Gyan Karmadi, Anabritam, uncovered by Gyanam Karma. What do you mean by? That means devotional activity is allowed. Devotional knowledge, Gyan is allowed. We cannot collect Gyan. What do you mean by it? What do you mean to say? We cannot collect Gyan from Guru Vaishnava. Yes. That Gyan is supported by Bhakti. Here, Gyan Karmadi Anabritam means, Rupa Goswami wanted to say, Gyan means Mayavad Gyan, dry Gyan should prohibited, Karma, material karma, having some desire should be prohibited. Gyan Karmadi Anabritam. And Anukullena Krishna, all favorable practice. So, Bhagavan speaking, all material activities, whatever you see, whatever you watch here, all you can find some starting point and end point. Even all dharma, so-called dharma, all there, prevailing in the material world. Buddha dharma, Christian dharma, whatever dharma you can find, sab dharma starting and end. But Sanatana dharma, no end. Sanatana dharma, this word means sada tanoti iti sanatana. Sada tanoti, the ever propagating dharma. The ever propagating dharma. It will never come to an end. Sada tanoti iti sanatana. Sanatana is eternally present. All other dharma, Bhaktivinoda already wrote in very shortly, all dharma can submerge in the main line of this Bhagavad Dharma. They can live all over the world, there can be only one Dharma. That is Bhagavad Dharma. Bhaktivinoda forecast. In future, gradually people can realize no scientific background, no scientific background about Dharma. They can realize. So, gradually when they can understand Jaina Dharma, Buddha Dharma, Christian Dharma, okay, Muslim Dharma, all gradually in near future. Even some man who can forecast is speaking. There are so many. In Puri also, there is one. He left body. He forecast everything. In foreign country also, Obama Naki Vatnam, his name. He forecast. A blind, they cannot see. He forecast. Forecast everything. He can see. In the year of this can happen. This year, all. Speaking, all population can reduce. All population can come down. He is forecasting 30 crores all over the world. 30 crores can stay. By rest can. Somebody, I don't know, is this practical or not. But Bhaktivinoda is speaking anyway. Finally, Bhagavad Dharma can stay, all other Dharma can get back. They can feel that is impractical gradually. So, Adiyanta Banto, and this kind of general Dharma or whatever way you can follow in this karma jagat, that ultimately can throw you in the ocean of misery. Adyantavante evaisham lokaha karma vinirmita duksho darkas tamo nishtha. It is all those desire, different activities, there's coming out of tamo rajogun. Sometimes from satogun also, but mainly from rajogun and tamogun. All material activities, everything. Sometimes material sato can be there, but very rare. Material sato can be there, but very rare. Mainly tamo and rajo. If tamogun not going to back you, you are not, because anyway sanskar is bad. Tamo rajogun predominating factor. So they like to do this, that, this. So, and finally we will have to repent for that. Duksho darka tamonischa khudra manda sucharpita. Bhagavan now finally speaking, Maya pitatmana sabdho nirpakshasya sarvataha mayatmana sukham yatvat kutaha sad vishvatmanam. Vishaya Shakti Chityanam Krishna Vesho Sudurataha. Those who are running towards Vishaya matter. Vishaya Shakti Chityanam Krishna Vesho Sudurataha. Those who are running towards Vishaya matter, very attraction. Very attraction. Money, 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 all things. Whole day and night, money. Don't understand anything. Vishaya Shakti Chityanam Krishna Vesho Sudurata. Those who are running towards Vishaya matter, they cannot expect their mind, they cannot get stability of mind, their stability of mind, not possible. They cannot realize Krishna Tattva, Bhakti Tattva. Vishaya Shakti Chityanam Krishna Vesho. How we can expect they are thinking about Krishna? Not. Or at all thinking some mentally concocted idea. In the name of Rupanugo, Raganugo, he himself cannot understand, cannot realize. So, ultimately you will have to repent for that. Adyantabant evaisham lokaha karma vinirmita duksho darka tamonishta Khudra mandya sucharpita. Sometime printing mistake. Khudra manda sucharpita. I know that's why. But it is written Khudra nanda. Written wrong. Khudra manda sucharpita. Bhagavan speaking, Mayat pitvatmanaha. If somebody going to offer himself unto my lotus feet, he give everything. Manasa deho geho jo kichumo orupinu tua pade nanda. This kirtan. So there, Mai arpitat manaha sabyo nirapekya sarvataha mayatmana sukham yattat kutaha sak visvatmanam. Mai arpitat manaha. Those who are going to offer themselves unto my lotus feet, I mean surrendered completely. Completely surrendered, absolute surrender. Surely they can discover neutral platform. They cannot have any partiality. They cannot have any partiality. Surely they are in neutral platform. Even their daughter, son, wife doing or wrong, he cannot cooperate with them. Bhaktivinoda told, if your wife going against bhakti, then somehow very tactfully you will have to handle the situation and go out of this. Bhaktivinoda told. So it's very difficult. Very carefully I have to leave their association. Bhaktivinoda told. So how material man, how one material man who is enjoying matter, huge of money, position, everything, how he can expect that kind of enjoyment, what a devotee can get. Devotee means who already submit unto my lotus feet and enjoying my bhakti, doing serving me. How we can expect that one material man, billions of dollars, he cannot count, he can get same enjoyment? How you can expect? Even you cannot expect. That's why written, Mayar pitatmanaha sabdho nirapekshasya sarvataha mayatmana sukham yattat kuto sad vishwatmanam. Those who are, their heart is full of matter. How they can expect same enjoyment what my devotee is getting, those who are already submit unto my lotus feet. Mayatmana sukham, they can get transcendental bliss. They can get transcendental bliss, ananda. Where they can expect material man. Maybe they have money. Oh, use money. India's richest man, one man, richest. People ask him, okay, he is doing some dharma karma. Dharma means he is favorable. He is maintaining the expenses of Sinathodwar, Ambani. Maintaining all the expenses of Nathodwar, Sinathji. He is giving expense to Govindaji, all countless. Badinarayan, all expenses. He is giving, but still he is favorable little bit, but don't understand what is called bhakti. Favorable. He likes sadhu, okay. But not 100%. Don't understand what is bhakti. So, one Maharaj, I don't like to speak, he went in the marriage ceremony. His son marriage ceremony was there from Bombay. I don't like the name. Anyway, so, Mayar pitatmanaha shabho nirapekshasya sarvataha mayatmana sukham yattat kutoha sad vishwatmanam. After that, Bhagavan speaking, those who are niskinchan, they never depend upon any matter. Niskinchanasya dantasya santasya samachetasya. They are antar indriyo controlled, bahir indriyo all in control, mind under control, everything. Niskinchan, no demand for anything. Whatever getting, get satisfied. whatever getting by the desire of Bhagavan, getting satisfied. So, akinchanasya, dantosya, santosya, samachita saha, samachita equipoised. Here mind, heart, all balanced, neutral. Samachitasa. Samachitasa means you can think he is my enemy. You can think he is my friend. So I can favor my friend. I cannot favor my enemy. Actually, Guru Vaishnava never think that he is my enemy, he is my. But they are bound to speak heavily to change the situation. They are bound to speak. Not that from heart thinking he is enemy. Not thinking. So, akinchanasya, dantosya, santosya, samachitasaha, maya santushta manasaha sarvaha sukha maya disha. Who is only satisfied with me, who is only and only satisfied with me, he can find the whole world full of transcendental bliss. Who is only satisfied with me, he cannot find any problem. Like Prabodhananda Saraswati told, Kaivalla narakayate tidasa pura akasa puspayate duddantendriyo kala sarpapatile patkhatatam strayate vidhi mahendadishta kitayate vishampurna sukhayate jat karuna kataksha vaibhavatam tam gaurame vastu. This whole world is no problem. Where you find problem? But if Prabhupada is going to follow this track, when internally Prabhupada is okay, then he cannot preach. Preaching means you will have to come down externally in the second level, Madhyamati. Because Paramahansa will not find any problem. Paramahansa cannot speak you categorically, this is abhakti, this is bhakti. He is busy with himself. That's why it's not possible. So Prabhupada is Paramahansa Param Paramarthapati, topmost. But still, he is going to cut all apasiddhanta, all acharan, all whole life. Prabhupada told, my whole life gone by cutting the jungle, all rubbish. I wanted to speak so many things, could not get. I wanted to speak so many things, but I am not getting. Only it took long time for me to clean the jungle of karma, jnana, mayavad, all, sahajiya, all whole life cutting. This way my life. So, akinchanasya dantasya santosya samachitasaha maya santushto manasaha sarva sukho maya disha. Who is satisfied with me, surely is akinchan, and his danta, his sense organ control, external India, Bahir India, Antar India, who is satisfied with me, he is watching whole world, no problem. No problem. After that, Bhagavan giving example, na parameshtam na mahendra desham na sarvabhaumam na rasadhipatyam na yoga siddhir apunar bhavamba mayyar pitvatmechati madvinananyam na parameshtam na mahendra desham na sarvabhaumam na rasadhipatyam na yoga siddhir apunar bhavamba mayyar pitvatmechati madvina na anyat. One pure sadhu whose life is dedicated to me, he is not going to ask the post of Brahma. He is not going to ask the post of Brahma. Na paramishtam, na mahendradhisham. Mahendradhisham means the post of Indra. So na paramishtam, na mahendradhisham, na sarvabhaumam, na rasadhipatyam. Rasatal, where Boli Maharaj giving place, it is written, Rasatal the kind of appliances you can find there, more and more than heavenly planets. Even Indra don't have. So somebody can try his best to get the control over Rasadipatya. Na parameshtam na mahendadhishnam, na parameshtam na mahendadhishnam, na sarvabhaumam na rasadipatyam, na yoga siddhir apunar bhavamba, mayar pitvatmechati madvina nanyat. No yoga siddhi. They don't ask any yoga siddhi from Krishna, who is Yogeswareswara. Not going to ask. Yoga siddhi you don't. If Bhagavan said, I can give you, no, I don't need. Bhagavan speaking. Salakko, Sarippo, Sasti, all. But devotee don't like to get. I can give you. No, I don't need. Bhagavan, if Bhagavan Diyamanam opi na grinnanti mat sevanam jana. Diyamanam opi. I like to give you, but I don't need. Diyamanam opi na grinnanti mat sevanam. Only they want my seva. So, na paramishtam na mahendadhishnam, na sarvabhaumam na rasadipatyam. Sarvane, complete sovereignty all over the world. Don't want. Like Prithu Maharaj. It is about Prithu Maharaj, it is in Ambarish Maharaj also. Saptadeep Adhipati. Saptadeep, 7 deep Ireland. All. They don't want. No yoga siddhir apunar bhavamba. Or they like to stop their cyclic order of date and birth. They can attain Brahma. They don't want. Na parameshtam na mahendadhishnam, na sarvabhaumam na rasadipatyam, na yoga siddhir apunar bhavamba, mayar pitvatmechati madvinanyat. Except me, they want nothing. Except me, they don't want nothing. Bhagavan ultimately going to glorify. Bhagavan very clever. Previously, he started speaking about bhakti. In middle, he is speaking all Yoga-siddhi, lucrative offer. Now again going to speak. I like bhakti. Bhagavan speaking. No tatha me priyatamo atmajanir na sankaraha, no ta sankar sano, no srir noiva atma cha jatha bhavan. Uddhav, you are devotee. I am speaking so many things, but be careful. My Sankar or Atmajani Brahma is not so dear to me. Brahma is my son, na? Brahma is the son of Bhagavan. He took birth from the navel portion. So, nirapeksham manim santam nirvairam samadarshanam. That is second. I can discuss first one. No tatha me priyatamo atmajanir na sankaraha na ta sankar sano na srir naiva atma yatha bhavan. You are so dear to me, that if even I cannot compare Brahma, Sankar, or Sankarsana, my brother, or Sri, my Shakti, divine consort. No? What to speak about Lakshmi or Lakshmi, because up to Radharani we cannot go. Up to Radharani we get, there is totally separate chapter. If you now put question, Maharaj, if Bhagavan speaking lie, you can say, somebody can start logic, say Bhagavan, even Sri, that Sri means Lakshmi. That Sri, up to that point we have no right, because Golok is the exclusive place. There what is happening, exclusive prema, that is separate. No cha sankarsano, no Sri noiva atma. Here Sri Rukmini can be there. Because now Dwarakadhish Krishna speaking to Uddhava. Try to understand. First of all, Brajendrananan Krishna is exclusive. He never going out of Braja. It is confirmed. Externally going. Second is Mathuradhish Krishna. Don't forget. Mathuradhish Krishna. And third, what? Dwarakadhish Krishna. So here, you will have to very carefully watch. Who Krishna speaking? Brajendrananan Krishna speaking? Or Mathuradhish Krishna speaking? Or Dwarakadhish? Okay, surely Dwarakadhish Krishna speaking. In Bhakti, I am discussing about, the small Lagu Bhagavatamrita, there already I discussed this point. This already discussed. So, here Sri Bhagavan speaking not about Lakshmi. No tatha me priyatamo atmajanir, Brahma is not so dear. Shankar is not so dear. Even my brother Shankar Sanu, not so dear. No Sri, even Lakshmi is not so dear. Even I am not dear so much to myself. I myself is not so dear to me. Here it is written, No tatha me priyatamo atmajanir, no sankaraha, no cha sankarsano, no srir naivatma cha jatha bhavan. Like you are so dear to me. Bhagavan speaking, Nirapeksham munim santyam nirvairam samadarsanam anubrajami aham nityam puyayati angrirenavi. Nirapeksham. Nirapeksham munim santam nirvairam samadarsanam. So, Bhagavan speaking, I am going to follow. I am always staying. I am always following, I am always staying behind those Rishi Munis or Sadhus. Muniganer. Yes, Sadhu not speaking. Muni is okay. Muniganer, Nitto, Anugram. Always I am running. Kyun? Because I like to get purified by the dust particle from their lotus feet. Nirapeksham manim santam. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti can explain more nice way. Vishwanath, double meaning you can get. One is Muni. Muni mean those who are not speaking any rubbish. Useless talking not there. They keep silent, they are Muni. This word. Okay? So, when Bhagavan speaking, the nirapeksham munim santam nirvairam samadarsanam, those Rishi Muni, Rishi is Muni, actually Muni, Bhagavan speaking, Muni. So, we can say, pure sadhu, they are also Muni. They keep silent. Material talkings they are not speaking. Material things they are not talking, they are speaking Harikatha. So while speaking Harikatha, Kirtan, that is not going to break the vow of your Mauna Brata. Your Mauna Brata not going to be disturbed if you go on speaking about Harikatha Kirtan, that meaning also can be there. Otherwise, Bhagavan only try to take dust particle from the lotus feet of devotee. Usually. So, Nirapeksham munim santam nirvairam samadarsanam, all those adjectives giving here, all applicable for Vaishnavas. First of all, Nirapekho, neutral. Shanto, Krishna Bhakto, Nishkam Otev Shanto. Bhukti, Mukti, Siddhikami, Bhukti, Mukti, Siddhikami, Sakali Asanto. Krishna Bhakta Nishkam Atev Sant. Those who are running a bhakti mukti, they are ashanto. They cannot get peaceful condition. Bhakti mukti siddhigami sakali asanto. But Krishna Bhakta Nishkam Atev Santo. So Bhagavan giving all title, adjective here, all applicable for Vaishnava. So nirapeksham munim santam nirvairam samadarshan. Equal darshan. A Vaishnava can have. A Vaishnava cannot say loka, thaika, cannot say. So nirapeksham munim santam nirvairam, no enemy in the life. They don't think anybody enemy. Bhagavan speaking, Anubrajami aham nityam puyeti rangri anivi. I am running behind them because I like to get purified by their dust particle coming from the lotus feet, their lotus feet. So, nirapeksham munin santam nirvainam samadarsanam anubrajami aham nityam puyeti angrinam. Bhagavan is always running behind devotees. Always running behind. So, all adjective here, all matching with Vaishnava sadhu. So, nirapeksham munin santam nirvairam samadarsanam anubrajami aham nityam. All the time I am running behind them. Why? Puyeti ongrirenivi. I like to get dust particle from their lotus feet on my head. And in my body, infinity Brahmanda there. Each and every hair tip. There is infinity Brahmanda. Jasaika nisheshito kala mathabalambo jivanti loma vilaja jagadanna natha Vishnu mahan saiyo jasukala visheshu govindam adipurusham tavam bhajan. So nirapeksham munim santam nirvairam samadarsanam anubrajami aham nityam puyati angrihin niskinchana mayi anurakta chetasa santa mahanto akhila jiva. Same, what I told previous line, same Bhagavan speaking. Bhagavan speaking same. Niskinchana mayi anurakta chetasaha santa mahanto akhila jiva vassala. Bhagavan speaking, those who are niskinchana. Niskinchana mayi anurakta chetasa. Those who are feeling tremendous attraction unto my lotus feet. Those are niskinchana. Or shanto, Krishna Bhakta niskam atvev santo. Bhakti mukti siddhikami sakali asanto. Is shanto. That kind of mahanto, that kind of mahanto means Vaishnava Guru. All symptoms written here not applicable for anybody. Only for Suddha Guru Vaishnava. So, surely we can say, under the guidance of Bhagavan, Bhagavan speaking, Niskinchana mayi anurakta chetasa Santa Mahanto Akhila Jiva Vatsala. Those Mahantas, they are not going to express any angry attitude, any partial attitude. Partiality not there. Nirapekha, always balance, darshan. Akhila Jiva Vatsala, they love all jivas. They love all jivas. They like to deliver all jivas. There is a nature, like Prahlad Maharaj speaking. Our Prabhupada also speaking, or Vasudev Datta, Chaitanya Vasudev Datta, Vasudev Datta speaking to Mahaprabhu, Vasudev Datta speaking to Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, I like to suffer all the sufferings of those jivas. I like countless jivas in the world. You all give me the result of the sinful activities, I can suffer, and please allow them. Vasudeva Datta. Mahaprabhu speaking, why? Why Krishna can allow you to suffer? Krishna is not weak. Krishna is having power. If Krishna wants, can deliver infinity world. So, it is sitting that Niskinchana Moira Unurakta Cheta Saha Santa Manto Akhila Jiva Vatsala. They love all jivas. No slight difference, attitude. They are not feeling disturbed. They never feel disturbed. Why? They never. Niskinchana Mai Unurakta Cheta Saha. Shanta, peaceful, are Mahanto Akhila Jiva. They love all jivas. Akhila Jiva Vatsalas, and they are not affected by Kama. Mad we can try. Kamair anal of the dhiya. Their mental attachment not there towards Kama. Kamair analabdha dhiyo jushanti te jannairapekhyam na viduhu sukham mamo. That must be those who are feeling attachment to me, akinchan, santo, nirabhiman, and they are always interested to seek the satisfaction of countless jivas. Their heart is not getting, their heart not going to be contaminated with karma. So, Ahitagid, he is feeling satisfaction, transcendental bliss inside heart. Niskinchana mai anurakta chetasaha santa mahanto akhila jiva vatsalaha kamair analabdha dhiyo jishanti te jannairapekhyam na vidhu sukham mamo. They can feel my transcendental bliss. They can feel transcendental bliss. Nobody else, only they. Even somehow, in a very strange situation, by chance their little bit mind is, Bhagavan speaking, Baddhamano upi mad bhakto vishayer ajitendriyaha prayaha pragalabhaya bhaktya vishayer nabi bhuyate. I can give the example of Jamunacharya. Jamunacharya is not eternal. Jamunacharya is not bonded soul. But Jamunacharya has very long history. Bhartimaj used to say. Jamunacharya, after getting the half share of the whole kingdom, for some time manifested a leela of forgetting Gurudev. I can speak tomorrow. After that, you see, when Gurudev very tactfully approached, then he could remember. Jamunacharya. Jamun Muni, very important. Anyway, so what sloka I started with? And Nitto nityanam chetonas chetananam eko bahunam jo vidodhati kaman tamatmastam yonupasanti dhiraha tesham santihi netaresham. So, 18. And yesterday already I told, slok number? Already I told? Achha.